All right, here we are. We are going to let everyone know how and what we do to keep our parrot talking or get our parrot to talk. She repeats a lot of what she hears. All she has to do is hear it once, and it's up to her whether she repeats it or not, but most of the time she hears something, she will repeat it. A lot of times if you want to get your bird, your parrot, your feathered friend to say something, you just pick out a word or the phrase that you would like your parrot to learn, and you just constantly repeat it. Hello. Kenya can say a lot of words. She says a lot of phrases. She chooses when she wants to talk and say them. She doesn't really do it on demand. She has her moments where she just goes on and on and on and on. And yeah, she does make loud noises too. Would you like to say hello? But that's the thing. You're just constantly talking to her and constantly saying things to her, and then she's also just picking up what you're just talking about when you have people over and when the TV is on, and she picks out words she likes. She can say good morning, how are you, goodbye, pretty much everything. But like I said, she chooses to talk, and right now she's just listening to me talk to you. So I will set the camera up and when she's going through one of her chatter sessions, but right now isn't one of those times. She's a Congo African Gray. She's been on Harrison's pellets for almost 3 years now. She used to, well, she still does pluck her feathers out, as you can see, but she used to be really, really bald. And now she's doing quite well. Hello? Kenya? Hi. She's choosing to be very quiet right now. She's just watching what I'm doing and saying. Okay, so stay tuned for more. And hopefully we'll get into one of our chatter sessions real soon where she's going off and saying all kinds of stuff. She's 14 years old. Hopefully I'll get to do a live streaming here soon, so this way I can take questions and maybe we can have some interaction live streaming. Yeah. Alright everyone, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye. Gonna say bye, Kenya? Nothing. Alright, bye.